Hello students, today we are going to discuss the redox reaction. Okay, we will go for the from the basics to complex problem in detail. So let us have a look over the redox reaction, students. Redox reaction. This is the chapter number 8. Okay. From if we talk about the chemistry NCERT, no. So this is chapter number what student, that is 8, second volume. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is, student, we have to understand the meaning of redox reaction. Okay, we have to understand the meaning of redox reaction. Okay, so as you see, students, red ox, red plus ox. This is made up of two terms. That is red plus ox. RED, red means what? Reduction. Okay, this is what is the term reduction. Okay, and OX, this is oxidation. Okay, oxidation. So dear student, any reaction, okay, any reaction in which what is happening, student, in which reduction and oxidation reaction taking place together, So if this type of things are happening, student, is known as what is redox reaction. Okay, is known as redox reaction. This is the definition. Okay, means if that is both the process, two reaction, reduction along with the oxidation taking place together is known as what, student? We are saying the redox reaction. Now what we are going to do is, student, we are going to understand what do mean by reduction and what do mean by oxidation. We are going for the detail. So let us have a look, student, how can you be able to understand the reduction and how can you be able to understand the oxidation. Okay, then we will go for the example of the redox reaction. So let us firstly try to understand the reduction. Okay, so firstly we are going for the reduction, dear student. We are going to understand the reduction. So to understand reduction, there are two concepts are there, student. Firstly we are going to for the old concept. This is old concept, or that is, or you can say classical concept. Okay, classical concept. This is, so dear student, according to old concept, that is addition of hydrogen. Addition of what, student? Hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is reduction, or that is either you can say removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen. Okay, removal of oxygen. Okay, or that is removal of electronegative atom. Okay, removal of electronegative atom. Okay, electronegative atom. Electronegative atoms. And here is addition of hydrogen or hydrogen like species. Hydrogen like species. So this is what is the concept, student, that is called classical concept of the reduction. Okay, that is what we are talking about, the classical concept of reduction. After that, what we are going to understand these things with the help of example. Suppose I am having C, student, carbon, and if you are adding the hydrogen, dear student, so it will give that is 2H2, so it will give that is CH4. Okay, so this is addition, here is addition of the hydrogen taking place. Okay, what is happening, student? Addition of H2. So if addition of H2 is there, it means it is the what is, student? It is the reduction. Okay, suppose if I am taking that is, student, Pb. Okay, PbO2 is there, student. So what is happening if you are heating? So it is converting Pb plus it is O2. So here what is happening? Removal of the oxygen taking place. Here is what happened, student, that is removal of O2. So removal of oxygen happened. It means what is, this is again to be what is, that is reduction. Okay, so that is classical concept of reduction means what, student? That is what we are going to say, that is addition of hydrogen or hydrogen like species. Second point, we are saying removal of oxygen or electronegative atom. If suppose I am having ZnCl2, okay, so if I am removing this, okay, so this is again we are saying that is this process is what is there, student, this is the reduction, because electronegative atom that is chlorine get removed in this process. Okay, now let us move for the oxidation. What do you mean by the oxidation? We are going to understand the term oxidation. Dear students, when you talk about the oxidation, so oxidation easily you can understand. Oxidation is, that is old concept we are going, and that's just reverse of the reduction is what is known as oxidation. Just reverse process of oxidation is known as reduction. For example, that is we are going for the addition of oxygen. Okay, this is what is addition of oxygen is oxidation. We are talking about the old concept. Okay, old concept, or that is also known as, student, that is also known as classical concept. Okay, this is. Up next point is what is that is either you say addition of oxygen, or you can say, student, that is removal of hydrogen. Okay, removal of hydrogen, or you can say addition of electronegative atom. Addition of what, student? Electronegative atom. Okay, electronegative atom. For example, if you see, student, suppose I am having C plus O2, it is going to be, that is CO2. So here what is there, student? What is happening here? Addition of oxygen. In this reaction, what is happening? Addition of what? Addition of O2. So addition of oxygen is what that is known as, student, that is oxidation. If suppose second point, removal of hydrogen, they are saying that is removal of hydrogen is also known as oxidation. So any compound is there, suppose I am having that is LiAlH4. Here what is happening, student? Here in this process, in the LiAlH4, hydrogen is getting replaced. Okay, so what is forming, student? What is forming here? That is aluminium is getting converted Al3 plus here is Li plus 2H2. So here you see aluminium, here is loss of hydrogen is there, loss of hydrogen. So loss of hydrogen, if the loss of hydrogen is there, student, so what will happen here? This example is actually not correct, students. Let us go with the another example. Okay, so if you are talking about, that is suppose you are taking NaH, so it is converting into, that is Na plus H minus. So here you, student, you see that is loss of hydrogen is there. Loss of hydrogen means what is there, student? Oxidation. Okay, suppose I am having that is Zn is there, and I am treating with the chlorine, so it is forming that is ZnCl2. So here electronegative atom got added, that is again it going to be, that is what is known as, student, this is also known as what? That is oxidation. So this is what we understood, what is meaning of that is oxidation and what is meaning of the reduction. Okay, now let us try to understand the redox reaction, student. Okay, now we are going to understand the redox reaction. Okay, or before that you try to understand the one question, example of the oxidation reaction. Firstly you try to understand example of oxidation reaction. Okay, example of oxidation reaction. So like that Mg is there, if you are treating with the O2, so it is giving, that is MgO2, that is oxidation. Ca is there, if you are treating with O2, that is CaO2. If you are having Na is there, you are treating with the O2, it is going to form, that is Na2O2. This is also the example of oxidation reaction. If suppose you are talking about the Mg and treating with the Cl2, that is MgCl2, this is also a type of the oxidation reaction. If suppose we are having S plus O2, this is going to be what is, student? SO2. Redox reaction C plus O2, that is it is going to be CO2, that is redox oxidation reaction. Zn is there plus S is there, this is going to be ZnS, redox reaction. Zn is there, if you are treating with the Cl2, it is going to be ZnCl2 redox reaction. If suppose Mg is there and you are treating with the N2, so that is what is forming, student, Mg3N2. okay. Li is there if you are treating with the N2, so what it is going, that is Li3N. okay. So this is again to be that is oxidation reaction. So these are the example of the oxidation reaction, student. You can write the n number of example of the oxidation reaction. okay. Now let us move to understand that is example of that is reduction reaction. Example of, we are going to understand example of reduction reaction. So here we are going for the example of reduction reaction. okay. Reduction reaction, right? So if you talk about the example of reduction reaction, already the old concept I already explained you. So with the help of that, let us try to understand. So suppose C plus H2 is there, 2H2, so CH4. So this is what is happening, that is reduction reaction. okay. If suppose Li is there, 2Li, and here is H2, it is forming 2LiH. that is again to be reduction. okay. Or you can don't take this one, students. okay. If I am having another example, students, that is ZnO is there, ZnO, and if you are 2Zn you took, so it is forming 2Zn plus O2. You heated this. Suppose you are taking that is ZnO and treating with the C, so it is going to be Zn plus CO. So here is what is happening, removal of oxygen is there, so that is what is, this is again going to be the reduction reaction, dear students. okay. Up now what we have to do, we have to understand the modern concept of oxidation and reduction reaction. okay. So let us try to understand the modern concept of the reduction and oxidation reaction. okay. So if you are talking about the modern concept of what, student, modern concept of reduction. okay. So modern concept of reduction, what they are saying, that is also known as electronic concept. This is also known as, student, what is electronic concept. okay. Electronic concept. So what is meaning of this electronic concept? How can you be able to understand this electronic concept? So that is addition of electron. This is what is, student, addition of electron is what is known as reduction. okay. This is the very simple concept. Suppose we are having that is Al3 plus, student. We are having Al3 plus. If you are adding 3 electron, it will convert into aluminum. So if it is converting into aluminum, so this will be the example of what, student, that is reduction reaction, because addition of electron, 3 positive 3 negative neutralizes out. Suppose I am having Mg2 plus and you are adding that is 2 electron, so it will convert into Mg, reduction. Suppose I am having O and we have added 2 electron, so it is converting into O2 minus, again reduction, because here is 0 to O2 minus. This is what is the reduction. If I am having N and I have added 3 electrons, so this will come, that is N3 minus. This is again going to be what, student, that is reduction. So in the modern concept, what we are saying, that is the addition of electron is reduction. Now let us go for the modern concept of oxidation. okay. So modern concept of oxidation, if you are talking, student, modern concept of oxidation or electronic concept, it is the removal of electron. okay. Removal of electron. okay. So removal of electron is simply what is known as oxidation. okay, student. So let us have a look over the example. Suppose I am having Na, student, it loses 1 electron, so it convert into Na plus and 1 electron minus. So what is this, is, student? This is what is known as oxidation. Suppose I am having Al, it loses, that is 3 electron loss, student, Al3 plus 3 electron. So loss of electron, what is this, student? That is what is known as oxidation. okay. Any example you can take, student, Fe is there, it is losing the electron and it is converting into Fe3 plus, and giving that is plus 3 electron, that is again going to be what, student? That is going to be oxidation. So that is what is example of the modern and old concept of the oxidation and reduction. Now let us try to understand redox reaction. Okay, let us try to understand the redox reaction, dear students. So here we are going for the redox reaction. Already that is old and new concept both we are going to understand the redox reaction. Suppose, dear student, I am having that is FeO plus we are treating with the carbon, so it is converting into Fe plus Co. So here to here, FeO to Fe, loss of electron is there, loss of electron. So loss of electron means what, student? That is reduction. Carbon to carbon monoxide, addition of oxygen is there, addition of oxygen. So that is what is, that is oxidation, and here is loss of oxygen means reduction. So reduction and oxidation both are taking place. So this is example of what, student? That is redox reaction. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, suppose you are taking another example, student. Okay, FeCl2 is there. Okay, FeCl2, and you are going to treat with the calcium. Okay, so what is happening, student? It is converting into Fe and plus CaCl2. Okay, so you check it out, student. So that is, here is loss of electronegative atom is taking place, loss of electronegative atom. So this will become, that is reduction, and addition of electronegative atom, oxygen like atom. So that is what is oxidation. So these two processes, what is example of what, student? Redox reaction. This is the example of redox reaction, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to apply the modern concept. Okay, and then we are checking, that is example of redox reaction. Okay, modern concept. So suppose, students, we are having that is Zn is there, and we are treating with the copper sulfate aqueous solution. Okay, so here this is solid. So what will happen, it is, student, it is for converting into ZnCSO4. This will form, that is aqueous, and here it will give, that is copper 2 plus. Okay. Oh, so students, or this reaction, if you are talking about, this will convert into Zn. Okay, plus we are having Cu2 plus, this is the aqueous, and this is the solid. And what it is happening here, student, this is converting into Zn2 plus, and that is Cu solid, and this is the aqueous. So dear student, Zn2 plus, this is what is known as oxidation, and Cu2 plus to Cu, this is what is known as reduction, because here loss of electron is taking place, student, loss of electron. So loss of electron is what? That is oxidation, and and here if you see, this is copper 2 plus to copper, gain of electron, that is what is reduction. Here in this case also you can see Zn2 ZnSO4, that is what is Zn2 ZnSO4. So it is becoming, student, this become the oxidation. Okay, and here if you see copper 2, okay, this is reduction, dear student, this will become the reduction. But here is copper sulfate to copper 2 plus, this will become oxidation, right? So this way easily you can understand, student, that is a redox reaction. Okay, now what we have to understand, student, that is we have to understand, that is oxidation number, that we will study in the next video, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.